So I'm making this video because I couldn't find a video on how to connect my old garage door opener to my remote without a learn button. Most of the videos that you find on YouTube ask you to find the learn button so that you can program the garage door remote. Unfortunately, mine doesn't. So this is an old Craftsman. It's a model number 41A3189. And basically, because it doesn't have a learn button, what you want to do is set a code here. You can set your own code. Just, put them up and down as you need. There's a plus, a 0, and a minus, and numbers. So you set it on whatever you want. For example, 1 on minus, 2 on plus, 3 on plus, etc., etc. Then get the remote. So here's my old Sears remote. What I'm going to do is I'm going to open it up and show you. Where you can set the same code. So if you open it up, the code is set right here, and all you want to do is just set it to the same code that you had on your garage door opener. I'm gonna close this up. Put in a battery, of course. Okay. And there you go. All done.